Tool lots, reliable equipment, fast.
Free accessories. Connect the power cord. Connect the motorized Z-axis. Connect the up, down control box. Connect USB cable to computer. Open the machine and remove the protective cover. Turn on double red light. Up, down to find focal length. Make two red dots overlap and become one. Insert the U-disc into the computer. There are control software and parameters. Open the SCAD software. For example, engraving text. Before engraving, red light positioning preview. Turn off the software and machine.
Tool lots, reliable equipment, fast.